Say hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi and Papa. Hi, Mimi.
Say hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi.
Show her how you do your toe touch, Audrey. Do a toe touch.
Can I do my trick?
Yeah. All right. Are you going to show her how you do your toe touch, Audrey?
I don't never my toe.
Remember, and you touch your toes and go to your bottom? Goodness.
Oh, I remember that. You taught me that when I was a little baby.
Okay, we'll do it. It's kind of chilly out here, isn't it?
Uh-huh.